Here we go.
Drop it.
I've known some. Until I first met you, I was lonesome. And when you came inside, dear, my heart grew light and this whole world seemed new to me. You're really swell, I have to admit you deserve expressions that really fit you. And so I've racked my brain hoping to explain all the things that you did to me. Mere bis to shame, please let me explain. Mere bis to shame means you're grand. Mere bis to shame, again I'll explain. It means you're the fairest in the land. It means you're the fairest. It means you're the fairest. It means you're the fairest in the land. on the ball. Come here, Mr. Shane, please let me explain. Come here, Mr. Shane, means you're grand. Come here, Mr. Shane, again I'll explain. It means you're the fairest in the land.
Greetings from the Andrews sisters. I'm Patty.
I'm Maxine.
And I'm Laverne.
I could say Bella, Bella, even say wonderbar. Each language only helps me tell you how grand you are. I've tried to explain. Come here, Mr. Shane, so kiss me, kiss me, kiss me, so that you will understand.
Yeah, that pressure washed out pretty well too. Though I still need to cut the, I'm gonna cut the rain thing out completely. Alright. Don't want to lose that. This is too long. That's probably going to be too short. Nope, just right. So this is going too fast. Let's put it on 1. That's better. Now, you hit it to break it loose from its old seal. And ooh, yeah, she's a little bit nar. Everything looks to be nice and tight, nice and good. Now it is, okay, yeah, the screen looks clear. That was the big deal. So the rain is picking up out here. So I'm going to have to wrap this up with my stuff outside. Okay, good, that went outside. And I will go ahead and throw this back on. Actually, I'm going to flip it back over, and then, yeah, I'm going to tarp it, and we're going to call it a night for this. I'm going to use a bigger pry bar to roll it over. A little bit of water in it at this stage isn't too big of a deal compared to if it was complete and I was getting ready to put it in. Now we flip it all the way over. We tighten it down. Now, that is not a half bad looking motor. So, I'll give you guys a quick sneak peek. Let me grab some black spray paint. First, I'll clean the water pump housing. Now there's some dirt in there that, quite frankly, it's going to be really hard to get off. I'm going to try with a screwdriver. If that doesn't work, then I'm going to break the cardinal rule and paint the stupid thing with dirt on it, which you're not really supposed to do, but I mean, it's a Gambler 500 car. It's not meant to be pretty. Nope. Okay. What's funny is this might be able to get clean with a little bit of carb cleaner. You know, this is a really old can of engine bright. Okay, it's supposed to foam, but it's not. Actually, it smells like burnt jalapenos, actually. That's definitely weird. So, let's take this now. You should use some good safety glasses when you're messing around with carb cleaner. I own a pair of Racing Impact rated glasses, so I can take a little bit of a risk here. Yeah, so even carb cleaner's not doing a whole lot. Now, my best bet's going to be... Yeah, see, I mean, I've really got to scrape into it to get this stuff off. I mean, it comes off, it just takes a little bit, so... Yeah, you know, actually, I have a weird metal brush I bought a while back. I didn't even know what it was for. Oh yeah, there's my adapter. It's been there this whole time. If you go back and look at the other video, it's still there. Yeah, this guy. I mean, it kind of works for that, but not the greatest. Okay, so I'm going to buzz it down one more time, and then this is just to get most of the dirt and stuff out of there. This is the last of this can, so yeah. It evaporates, but if I want to spray paint it immediately, I need to do this now. Carb cleaner is nice. You can use it in a variety of things. And here's a little bit of hillbilly redneck trick for you. It doubles as starting fluid. So, you know, that's always fun. Now, I'm hoping to paint most of, if not this entire housing. But it is still wet with solvent, so I'm probably only going to paint the top because that's about all I'm going to be able to reliably get dry. Solvent will cause the paint to literally just wick right off. I'll be able to take my towel and literally just give it one quick little wipe and all of it comes off. The beauty of it is it does dry rather quickly. So another trick, Phillips flathead. Now, flatheads are, so I can scrape it like this and not coming off. Last trick, take a wadded up paper towel and use this to apply pressure. And yeah, it's not doing jack. About as useful as a screen door on a submarine. Now, I'm gonna hold it like this. Oh wait, duh. About to get my hands dirty. I've got These newfangled contraptions called rubber gloves. There we go. Now I can get my hands dirty, and then they'll stay clean. I'm not going to spray the bottom half because I want to be able to flip it and set it down. So we're just going to go with not the way you're supposed to paint. I just coated it in spray paint, but it's going to sit overnight. So you can take it like this, hold it with 2 fingers. The entire reason I painted this flat black, and the whole reason I'm doing this right now, is to show you guys it's going to end up contrasting extremely well. That's the whole point of me doing a lot of this, is I love the contrast of this particular shade of black and the particular shade of blue. Now, the top of the solvent tank's always been filthy. So these guys here. Now this one goes. So this guy's gonna end up going right here. So, I mean, it goes blue, black, blue, silver, black, silver, blue, black. And that crisp, sharp blue with the nice here